Deal with. To handle. Sentence, we have to deal with these emails, confronting a situation. Boss around. To tell someone what to do in an annoying and arrogant way. Sentence, my older brother is always trying to boss me around. Fend off. To defend yourself against or push away an attacker or unwanted person or situation. Sentence, she managed to fend off her attackers with a stick. Come down with. To start to suffer from a mild or non-serious illness. Sentence, I feel like I'm coming down with a cold. Freaks out. Suddenly feel extremely surprised, upset, angry, or confused. Sentence, I'm going to freak out if I don't pass this exam. Crack down on. To become stricter in dealing with someone or something that is wrong or not working properly. Sentence, the police are planning to crack down on speeding in the city. Bail out. To provide money to a person or organization to help them avoid financial ruin. Sentence, the government had to bail out the struggling company with billions of dollars in loans. Make fun of. Laugh at / make jokes about. Sentence, the old lady dresses so strangely that the kids make fun of her. Blow up. To explode or become very angry. Sentence, the bomb blew up in the middle of the street. Force to be reckoned. Describes a person, organization, or thing that is powerful, influential, and cannot be easily ignored. Sentence, when she won her first 3 matches, the other players knew she was a force to be reckoned with.
Zero in on. To focus or concentrate on something. Sentence, the police zeroed in on the suspect's location.
To delve into. To examine and find more information. Sentence, I know these reports are important, so I will delve into them as soon as I can. To drum into. To teach something persistently until it's remembered. Sentence, our boss always drums the importance of deadlines into our team, but we still miss them. Stand in for. To temporarily replace someone in a job or role. Sentence, my boss is on vacation, so Sarah is standing in for her this week. Abide by. To respect or obey a decision, a law, or a rule. Sentence, if you want to keep your job here, you must abide by our rules. Appeal to. 1. To plead or make a request. 2. To be attractive or interesting. Sentence, he appealed to the court to change its decision. Bank on. To rely on something or someone. Sentence, I'd banked on getting a pay rise this year, but it didn't happen. Point out. Indicate / direct attention to something. Sentence, she pointed out the mistake. Shy away. To avoid doing something because you are nervous, frightened, or not confident enough. Sentence, he tends to shy away from public speaking. Jot down. Take quick notes. Sentence, I jotted down the address while watching the program on TV. Toss out. To discard or get rid of something unwanted. Sentence, it's time to toss out those old clothes. Shop around. To compare the price and quality of the same or a similar object in different shops. Sentence, before buying a new laptop, I'm shopping around to compare different models and prices. Drift apart. To gradually become less friendly, less close, and eventually end their relationship. Sentence: as children, we were very close, but after high school, we just drifted apart and rarely saw each other anymore. Zoom past. To move or go very quickly past someone or something else. Sentence: the cyclist zoomed past the pedestrians on the sidewalk. Worked through. To deal with something that is difficult or unpleasant successfully. Sentence: it took him a long time to work through his anger after he lost his job. Knuckle down. To start working or studying very hard and diligently on a task. Sentence: you're going to have to knuckle down and study hard if you want to pass your exams. Scale back. To reduce the size, amount, or extent of something. Sentence: you could scale back your work hours to spend more time with family. Strike back. To attack someone who has attacked you. Sentence: if you bully people long enough, they are going to strike back. Screw up. Cause something to fail or go wrong. Sentence: I'm feeling really screwed up about the exam. Brush up on. To improve, refresh one's knowledge of something. Sentence: I must brush up on my French before going to Paris next month. To dive into. To start doing something with energy. Sentence: after the meeting, we immediately dived into developing the strategy for the upcoming campaign. To stir up. To cause a problem to grow. Sentence: my colleague Jim likes to stir things up in meetings. Die down. Calm down, become less strong. Sentence: when the applause died down, she started to sing. Get along. To be friendly. Sentence: I hope I get along with my new colleagues in this challenging environment. Wipe out. To destroy something completely. Sentence: the earthquake wiped out the entire village. Run away. Often to escape from them or a situation. Sentence: she ran away with the next door neighbor to get married. Figure out. To understand, solve, or calculate something. Sentence: I couldn't figure out what the teacher was talking about. To follow. Have recourse to something when in difficulty. Sentence: traffic backed up for miles after the accident. Cheer on. To become happier or make someone happier. Sentence: the little boy cheered up when his mother gave him an ice cream.